This week you're going to do Sort 6 for words their way. You will be adding ing to words with VCE and VVC patterns. Make sure all of your word cards are cut out with your number on the back, and you also have your word sort mat ready to go. This week you're going to be adding ing to base words. Some of your base words this week are going to have the VCE as the base word, as your word card that has the word ice on it. You notice your vowel consonant, your IC, followed by an E at the end. Then some of your base words that you're going to add an ing to this week are going to have the vowel consonant base word, as in the example of the word rain. You notice your AI, which is the vowel, followed by the consonant N at the end. Now get your word sort mat out, and we're going to see how we add ing to VCE base words as well as VVC base words. Now you have your word sort mat out, let's talk about some of our words that have the vowel consonant E base word. Find your word sort card that has the word use on it, and use is spelled U-S-E. I will use my best handwriting when I'm writing my words. Now we notice use has the vowel consonant followed by the E at the end. Our base word that has an E at the end, in order to add our ing to it, we need to drop the E and then add our ing. So you're going to find your word sort card that has the word using in it, and you're going to put it under, drop the E, and add an ing. Your word is using. Now we're going to talk about our base words that have the vowel consonant. The word on the top of your paper is the word sneak. Let's use the word rain. We have rain, which is spelled R-A-I-N. Find your word sort card that has rain and put it under the vowel consonant as the base word. You're going to notice you have your two vowels A and I, and then you have your N at the end. What happens with our VVC base words is all you have to do is add an ing, and you do not change the base word at all. So we're just going to write rain. Whoops, make sure you're using your best writing, and then you're just going to add your ing to your base word. Let's do one more. Let's find the word eat. E-A-T. Well, we notice in the word eat, you have your vowel consonant for your base word. So once again, you're just going to add an ing to the end. Okay, so place eat under your vowel consonant base word and just add an ing under eating. Let's look at the word ride. Many of you ride the bus to school. We have our vowel consonant with an E at the end. Once again, since we have that final E at the end, the I is long, as is the U in use. We're going to drop the E to add an ing, and then add an ing. So we have R-I-D, I-N-G for writing. I will be riding the bus after school. Now what you need to do is stop the recording, and you need to take the rest of your word sort cards and place them under the correct word pattern. So you have your VCE base words. Next to it, put the same word that goes along with your VCE base word where you dropped the E to add the ing. Then in your third pattern where you have your vowel consonant base words, next to it you need to find that same base word where you just added an ing. When you're all finished sorting your words, you need to continue the recording to check to see your word sort pattern and to see if you have them under the correct pattern. Now let's see how you did. Let's look under our first word pattern where we just have our vowel consonant E base words. We have the words blame, use, score, tune, ride, and drive. All of those have an E followed by the vowel consonant. So we had to drop the E before adding an ing. So next to blame, you have blaming. Then we have using, scoring, tuning, riding, and driving. Now we're going to look at our base words that have the VVC, where we just add an ing to the end of the base word. We have eat and eating, rain, raining, read, reading, load, loading, and then we have clean, cleaning. Now what you need to do is after you stop the recording, you need to write these words in your planner using your best handwriting. Remember to include the word pattern VCE base word, drop the E and add an ing, put those words next to each other in your planner. Then you're going to make the word pattern VVC base word, and then you just add an ing to the base word. Remember to do your best work and use your best handwriting.